Let's couple the Duravolt DRF-2918. Let's couple. As you can see, these are all the components. So the base, this is the battery and the control. This is the solar panel. I think this is literally everything that we need to set up this fan. So let's quickly set it up and see how it goes. Bring this base inside this like this and put it here. Put it. So we now take the nut. This is the bolt and the nut to tighten it. Step 2, you loosen this so that you can bring it out. Yes. So you adjust it to the height you want and tighten it back. All right. So you now bring the controller. First of all, you have to loose this screw so that I can enter it comfortably. So I want to put the controller now. This is the controller, and you tighten the screw back now. Tighten it back. All right. We are getting ready. What you need to do is to put the net, the first net. So, and when doing that, you have to make sure that this hole here align with this. Like this hole here will enter this. So let me put it so that you can see. All right. Then you tighten it with this. All right. You now put this. You now put this and bring this to tighten it. All right, so the next thing is to put the blade. So you set it, because as you can see here, you see this line. Make sure that it aligned with this so that I can laugh very well. All right, perfect. Perfect. So the next thing to do is to tighten it with this. So take note, you are tightening this into the left instead of the right. To go to the left. Yeah, as you can see, our fan is getting ready. So the next thing to do is to set this rubber with this net so that it will not disturb you when you are about to put it on the fan. So I'm setting the rubber first. I always allow the screw to be up. Yes. Perfect. So right now I can take it Alright, then I will now use my screwdriver to tighten it. To tighten the rubber so that it will be very strong. Okay, I think our fan is ready. So I can put it on right now. So once I press here, our fan is ready. As you can see, everything is working fine. So this is the body light. This is the body light. This is the body light. You can increase the speed. Those are the functions, and this is the timer. And also this is the solar panel. If you want to charge it with sun, in case your area you don't have lights and you want to charge it with sun, you can easily extend this panel outside where the sun will be hitting. Then you now connect this, you now plug this to the DC. Yeah, you now plug this here at the back of the fan and take this outside, so it will be charging with sun in case you don't have light in your area. And also if you want to charge it with light, this is the cable. This is the DC cable, the AC cable rather. So you plug it by the side.